the cell, the utmost basic principle of life. The cell, saving animals from pain and strife. The cell, all things alive have at least just one. And before the song is done, you will learn the organelles for each one. Let's begin at the cell wall. This is something that all plant cells have. It supports and protects the plant cell, shielding it from harm, and it allows materials to pass into and out of the plant cell. Next is the membrane. Every cell alive has some of this. For animals, it's the outer boundary of the cell, dividing it from its surroundings. And for every kind of cell, it does its job well, regulating what goes in and out of the cell. Now it's on to the vacuoles, the little storage centers for all cells around. These little globs of awesomeness hold lots of helpful nutrients for the cell. They are larger in plant cells, for plants must store water longer than animals. Continuing on is the chloroplast. It is only found inside of plants. It's vital for a plant's greenish color because of its pigment. And it makes glucose for the plant. Through photosynthesis is how the glucose is made. Next in my vast series is the endoplasmic reticulum. It is found in both plant and animal cells, and it packages and transports proteins. What it basically is a series of cavities connecting to the nucleus. Now is the nucleus indeed. The nucleus controls all the activities that take place in the cell. It's the command center for the cell. It controls all. It contains DNA, and every so often it may be called nerdy because of its smarts. It's in both plant and animal cells, and it usually does its job real swell. It governs the cell. Coming up are the chromosomes. These are made of DNA inside the nucleus. They carry hereditary traits that are passed down from one generation to the next. They contain instructions for all the cell's activities for both plants and animals. Moving along are the mitochondria. They serve a very simple purpose. Their niche is making energy that is used by the cell day and night. In the cells of every plant and all animals at that, they make energy. Lastly is the cytoplasm. What it does is very important. The cytoplasm is a jello-like substance that holds all the organelles in place. It's within all plant cells, and every single animal out well, and it holds it all together. The cell, now you know what's inside of each one. The cell, each one under the sun. The cell, at long last my song is finished now. Hopefully you learned from this. Goodbye ignorance and bliss about the cell.